enforcement. Yeah, I don't recommend living here, in the city of no law enforcement. Everybody does whatever the fuck they want here. Lawlessness.
Exercise. If you don't need to lose weight, he has programs that heal and regenerate knee cartilage, bulging and herniated discs, and reduce inflammation throughout the whole body. He can address any or all these issues to help you attain the health you never thought possible. To schedule your no-risk consultation for only $59, call today at 866-311-5306 or online at DanvillePainAndWellness.com. That's 866-311-5306 or DanvillePainAndWellness.com.
You want to feel important. You want to be a part of something bigger, something that matters and can help change things. You want to feel like you belong. We know. We felt that way too. And that's why we did something about it. We aren't just Army National Guard soldiers. We are normal people just like you. And together, we can make a difference. Take on your legacy. Visit NationalGuard.com to find out more.
Sponsored by the California Army National Guard. Aired by the California Broadcasters Association and this station.
When you're high, you feel different. Pretty obvious, right? You think different, talk different, but if you feel different, you drive different. So if you're high, just don't drive. Brought to you by NHTSA and the Ad Council.
Code SIZZLE at checkout. Minimum purchase may apply. Omaha Steaks, America's original butcher.
Good looks, charm, smarts. It all adds up to the Mark Levin Radio Show.
Also, National Review today. Now, I don't agree with everybody all the time, but these guys are saying things that I've said here because they're happening, because this is the reality, and it's not pleasant. Jumpin' Jack Flash, Prosecutor Smith to light TNT stick in September. He says in this column, let's see, MAGA, and it goes on.
Yes, see, no law enforcement. Please.